Hello friends, hope all of you are doing well. In today's session, we are going to discuss a very important topic from MEG 4, aspects of language. In this session, we're going to discuss word formation by reduplication. So this particular topic is very important from upcoming examinations perspective. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get started. So the topic for today's session, word formation by reduplication, in itself is suggestive that it is one of the word formation processes. Okay, by that I mean that there are multiple ways through which a particular word can be generated or created in English literature or in any other language. Okay, ऐसा एक तरीका होता है और एक वे होता है जिससे हम लोग पर्टिकुलर शब्द को क्रिएट करते हैं, और उसमें से एक तरीका होता है रीडुप्लीकेशन. ऑलराइट, सो इस वर्ड को थोड़ा समझते हैं और बेहतर तरीके से. Reduplication in linguistics is a morphological process in which the root or stem of a word or part of it is repeated exactly or with a slight change. आसान भाषा में अगर मैं इसको समझाऊं, रीडुप्लीकेशन का मतलब किसी भी ऐसा एक पर्टिकुलर शब्द है जिसको हम लोग उसका पर्टिकुलर पूरा शब्द का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं या उसका एक पर्टिकुलर शब्दांश का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं एक नया वर्ड क्रिएट करने के लिए, उसी को रीडुप्लीकेशन बोलते हैं. जैसे कि हिंदी में हम लोग कभी कभी बोलते हैं ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. तो मैं भी अक्सर बोलता हूँ अपने लेक्चर्स के एंड में या किसी कोई भी चीज़ बताने के बाद, जब हम लोग इसी ठीक है को 2 बार रिपीट करते हैं ठीक है, तो उसका मतलब क्या हो जाता है, वी आर एफॉर्मिंग द सेंटेंस. ठीक है, हम लोग एक एफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं. हम लोग जो अपने लिसनर्स को कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं या कोई भी बात कन्वे करना चाहते हैं, एक एफर्मेशन देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो उसी की वजह से हम लोग ठीक है जो वर्ड है हिंदी में उसको 2 बार बोलते हैं ठीक है ठीक है. तो ये एक बहुत क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल हो गया हिंदी लिटरेचर में रीडुप्लीकेशन का. So coming back to English literature, reduplication is used in inflections to convey a grammatical function such as plurality or intensification, etc. Alright, it is often used when a speaker adopts a tone expressive or figurative than ordinary speech and is also often but not exclusively iconic in meaning. Alright, I'll come to the examples then it become more clearer, but as of now understand that reduplication is used in order to convey a particular grammatical function. That can be anything. Okay, it can be intensification, it can be plurality. Alright, sometimes also in order to be more expressive or more figurative, we use reduplication. Now, before you get more confused by the explanation I've just provided, let's come to the examples and understand it in a better way. Like the words like okie dokie, you will often hear that people in a funny way they say this thing in a particular sentence, okie dokie. Alright, like film flam, Peter patter. Also we have some baby words like tum tum, pee pee, boo boo, etc. So these all examples are some examples from reduplication, creation of words. Okay, word formation by reduplication. Now reduplication in itself is a standard term for this phenomenon in linguistic literature. There are certain other terms which you also should know for the examination purpose. That means that reduplication is also known as cloning, doubling, duplication, repetition. Alright, so you have to remember these particular words are also used to represent reduplication. Now let us understand what are the different types of reduplication that happens in English literature. It can be partial or complete. Now let us see some complete reduplication examples like the words like blah blah, tweet tweet, bye bye, chit chat, not chit chat, sorry, this is like little bit will come differently, bang bang. Alright, these words that I've just mentioned like blah blah, tweet tweet, bang bang, bye bye are examples of reduplication. As you can see, the words are exactly repeated one after another, like blah blah, tweet tweet, bye bye, alright, bang bang. So this is a case of complete reduplication. It's very easy to understand and very easy to remember the examples, and if you remember the examples it will be easy for you to answer it in exams. Now let us understand what is partial reduplication. Partial reduplication means a particular part of the word is reduplicated. Alright, let us see this word like chit chat. Now if you see this word properly, you will see that only a particular segment of that word, that means we can also say that a particular syllable is changed. Now in this case you will say that a vowel is changed here, chit chat. Okay, I and A. So this is an example of partial duplication. Alright, now we have different words like super duper, double trouble, tip top, ding dong. Now in words like ding dong, tip top and chit chat, you will see that there is a change in vowel, and this is also known as abort. Now, when reduplication happens, the base is known as the word or part of the word that is copied. Now, in case of blah blah, you can see the entire word blah is being copied again. So that means blah word is the base. The reduplicated element is called reduplicant. Okay, that means in any example that I've given, like tweet tweet bye bye, suppose the word bye. Okay, bye is reduplicant here, and we also abbreviate, we can express it as abbreviated as red or sometimes as R. All right. So in some specific cases, what happens is reduplication can occur more than once, resulting in a triple form. And in these cases, this type of phenomenon is known as triplication. Obviously, we understand by the word in itself that the duplication has been happening twice. Okay, copying two times. So this is known as triplication. So this is not related with today's session, but as of now, you can just remember it. So this is the video, guys. In today's session I have covered word formation by reduplication, which is one of the most important topic of MEG 4 aspects of language, by the way. I'll also try to upload the same, that means the PDF of today's lecture, in the Facebook group and the Facebook page. In case if you have not been a part of our social community, do consider to join the Facebook page and Facebook group, the link of which is given in the description, of course. And I've tried to make it as simple as possible. I hope that you have understood the topic. In case if you have any other doubts regarding reduplication, do feel free to comment in the comment section. Till I meet you next time, God bless you and thank you all.